Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to iSpeakRealty.com. Today we're going to be talking about tips for buying in a tight market. We want you to increase your chances of getting your dream home and lower your chances of losing out to another buyer. Number one is get pre-qualified for a mortgage. You'll be able to make a firm commitment to buy and your offer will be more desirable to the seller. Number two is stay in close contact with your real estate agent to find out all the newest listings and be ready to see a house as soon as it goes on the market. And if it's a great home, it'll definitely go fast. Number three, scout out new listings yourself. Look on the web, drive your neighborhoods, jot down those addresses, send them to your real estate agent, and we'll go ahead and schedule you a showing. Number four is be ready to make a decision. Spend a lot of time in advance deciding what you must have in a home so you won't be unsure when you have a chance to make that offer. Number five is bid competitively. You may not want to start out offering the absolute highest price you can afford, but don't go too low to get a deal. In a tight market, you might just lose out. Number six is keep contingencies to a minimum. Contingencies such as inspections, selling the home before you have to purchase. These types of things can actually make your offer a little less desirable to the seller. Number seven is don't get caught in a buyer frenzy. Just because there's competition doesn't mean you should just buy it. Make sure that it's the house that you want. Even though you want to make your offer attractive, don't neglect those inspections. Make sure that your house is safe and sound. Thanks so much for tuning in, guys. Have a great day. Bye.